Hi everyone and welcome back to China Admissions. Today we're going to be going over the 6 best Chinese language textbooks for total beginners. So if you're interested in studying in China, of course you're going to be interested in learning a bit of Chinese. But as a beginner, it can be very daunting to know which course or textbook is the right way. How do you start learning? Do you need a professional teacher? And when you start looking at courses and textbooks, there's so many to choose from, so it can be very daunting to know which one suits your learning goal. Today we're going to be going over the 6 best textbooks that you can choose for beginners. We're also going to be differentiating between simplified Chinese and traditional Chinese, so there'll be option for both of you. So just keep in mind the difference between the simplified and traditional Chinese characters. Simplified Chinese is used in mainland China, while traditional Chinese is used in Macau, Taiwan, and Hong Kong. So the best overall textbook that is available for both simplified and traditional Chinese is the Integrated Chinese Textbook Series. So it is geared towards foreign learners, and you progress from a total beginner up to an intermediate level. So you can use these books and their series for quite a long time. You'll be following the characters in the textbook as they are learning about China and eventually as they plan their trip to China as well. Take a look at the traditional Chinese textbook that is the best overall textbook for learning traditional Chinese. So this is the Practical Chinese Reading and Writing 1 and the Practical Audiovisual Chinese Book 1. This is used by the National Taiwan Normal University, their Mandarin Training Center, and these textbooks take you through beginners through the Chinese basics with the Taiwanese style of Mandarin education. So you'll start with the Bo Po Mo Fo phonetic system and then start using the traditional characters. So the winner for the overall best simplified Chinese textbook is actually the textbook that I used when I was at university. So this is the Road to Success elementary series. So this is the best textbook series that you can use if you're wanting to study simplified Chinese, and it is often used when you are studying in a university for a Chinese language course in mainland China. So it starts at the beginner level and goes all the way to the advanced. So you can kind of stay with this textbook series all throughout your different levels. Now let's go over the best textbooks for children. Getting young children interested in Chinese and on their Chinese learning journey can be quite challenging, so you need to choose the right textbook to guide you. Studying Chinese as a child is very different than it is as an adult, as you will mostly be using stories and look to find games in order to learn vocabulary. The best for traditional characters is I Found It by Katrina Liu. The best for simplified Chinese is the Mandarin Chinese Picture Dictionary. This teaches children 1,500 key Chinese words and phrases. Now let's go over the best textbook for HSK learning. If you're going to be writing the HSK, which is the test that will show other people your level of Chinese, while there are other ones that some people use, this is the most standard international one. The best one that you can use is the HSK series. So this has been put out by the Confucius Institute, and this is by far the best guideline that you can use in preparation for any HSK. So they will generally have a textbook and then an exercise book as well for each level. So you'll have the HSK 1 series, HSK 2 series, HSK 3, and when you get to HSK 5 and 6, they're divided into Part A and Part B just because there's quite a lot of volume for those HSK preparations. Now let's go over some Chinese courses that you could do. So there are many different courses that can be quite beneficial for you. Generally, what we recommend is the Beijing Language and Culture University's Online Education Center. They have a bunch of different courses which you can enroll in with China Admissions. So you can take a look at their different courses. They have group courses as well as one-on-one classes if you want to have a bit more individual attention. I hope this gets you started with your interest in Chinese and helps you along your way with discovering China. I'll see you guys in the next video.